So one of the things in the new year that I wanted to do something that for myself that I have never done. I tend to not restore watches for myself because I'm so busy. And it was actually kind of weighing on me in terms of having fun playing watches. You know, it's nice to play with watches, but it just seemed like it was a little hard. So to cure that, I'm going to start restoring one of my own watches. I don't want to make any promises, but I want to try to push out new watches for myself. So I have something exciting to play with. Yeah, I never have time to do it. I never make time to do it. I always think it's a selfish thing to do. But I think maybe I can do this one. Okay, so we have this one I've been talking about, Time Sonar. I tell you, this one keeps calling my name. Even with that refinished case, the wrong kind of brushing. It still looks good, and I can paint this down to the matching sport brick red, and it's just cosmetically, besides that, it's in nice condition. I even have the bracelet for this. I bought part of a friend's collection, and he had some of the bracelets for these things. I don't know. I keep coming back to this one. I've been looking at it and looking at it. This one, of course, just came in a couple days ago. This is our... It's correct. You see, it always rings about 2 minutes early. Anyway, because people are talking about Bellmatics, this is the so-called, or I don't know what you want to call it, it's the Arabic dial variant of this model, 4006 6070. It's in this hooded lug case. Seiko used that case a lot. I mean, case in point. The same kind of rounded top with the hooded lugs. Sebastian's having fun. So, I mean, I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I'm going to be interested to see what's under there. I'd bet anything. The dial is going to be much more likely to be original than the alarm ring. That's just the way it is. These alarm rings were actually fairly fragile, and if you jacked with them, you could easily mess one up. And they made enough of these replacement parts, these rings, you can still get them. If I had to lay money, I would say that's a replacement alarm ring. Real deal. It's what they call a one-looker. Let's see. Of course, we do have a dark horse candidate. I've been looking at this for years. These are the mortal remains of a Seiko. My gosh, he's going bananas. 7107 6050 speed timer. They were a single register like the 7015. They're different in a few different ways, but for some reason, they're incredibly hard to get parts for this movement. I'm not 100% sure why I can't just put a 7015 in there, but I'm going to try to find the parts and the ability to build a correct 7017. These are neat. Here's another case. It has this nice UFO edge shape on it. This one, a little more beat. It still has its indicator ring. These do rotate by the crown. I think this case back goes with this case. I think I got those. But anyway, they're neat. I've got a really cool dial. And that would be fun to use my product on to clean. And I've got the original handset. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Look at the way that's set up. It's a really neat job. Okay, wait. What's the dial date? November 71. November 71. Doesn't go to either one of these. I wonder if I've got any more of these case backs. Huh. I don't know. Let's see. The next one, people are going to yell at me that, about, I don't know what they're going to yell at me about, but they probably will. Original unrestored 6105. 8119? Yes, sir. 8119, November 76. 100% original. Look at that nice pip, that's original. Look, the metal on the hand tops is perfect. Dial's good. There's a little bit of graying and a few teeny pieces of corrosion, but I can clean that up. Case is, well, this is an original watch. One of the reasons I've had this for so long and never rebuilt it, because it's like, I don't know, sometimes I like, the day's going to come where you can't get them in this shape anymore. And this is original. I mean, complete with the owner's original Gruck. And it was a working watch. Don't want to know. Yeah, it's totally original. Look at the haze underneath the crystal. And that's a type 2. No, it might be a 3, because look, it's flat, but it's got the little dome on it. These crystals, I mean, Seiko dropped the heights between the different ones, but I measured every single old one I have, and the actual heights and the degree of the curve change between almost every single one. It's bananas. Crown doesn't go in all the way, and the edges are worn. It doesn't want to lock, but the post is. Yeah. Well, it probably won't go in all the way because there's all that crap jammed into the case. Yeah, this would clean up really nicely. How's the insert? It's got some wear. You can't really polish these because if you get even slightly aggressive, you'll start lightening up the black. I mean, not a lot, but I try to be a little more gentle when I clean these. Yeah, that's something. Oh, I finally dug this out. So here's this watch that I'm thinking about restoring. Here's the one that's currently in my rotation. This is my baby. This is a 6105, 6110, with a very special case back to me. It's all original loom. These are service hands. So this is a 6309 service hand set on this original watch. And it was like that. I have no qualms whatsoever about making that call. That's a Seiko service handset put on by the guide. So I kept it. It's really unique. I mean, the same team made the 6105 and the 6309. Same people. I often think that this handset was originally designed for this second gen bigger model, but for some reason they didn't do it, and instead it went into the 6309. I have no idea if that's true, but it's neat. But every now and then I got a hankering for a stock one. I don't know. What do you people think? What do you nice people think? What should I do? You tell me, because I tell you, it's been a long week. Okay, folks. Thank you so much for watching.